Ready to create premium lifestyle apparel photos with Gemini AI? Let's get started. Start with one standout outfit, focus on fit, color, and texture. Capture tight close-ups of fabric and stitching to sell authenticity. Open Gemini and write a clear prompt: garment type, fit, mood, lighting, and background. Choose a background that tells your story: studio, street, or at-home lifestyle. Frame the garment with composition guides and subtle scribble overlays to guide the eye. Set your lights: soft key light, gentle fill, and a rim for separation. Use reflectors and diffusion to keep textures and skin tones even and natural. Have Gemini generate multiple variations and pick the most natural pose and angle. Compare before and after shots to verify color accuracy and texture fidelity. Fine-tune exposure, contrast, and sharpen fabric details. Remove distractions. Export high-res images, save your Gemini presets, and batch process for consistency. Try it on any apparel today.